Welcome. If you've ever tried to record a snap or make a call on Snapchat and found your microphone wasn't working, you're not alone. Today, I'll show you exactly how to enable asking for microphone permissions on Snapchat, so you're always in control of when the app can use your mic. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings app. This is where you control all the app permissions on your device. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you find the section labeled Apps, or sometimes App Management, depending on your phone model. Tap on Apps to bring up a list of all the applications installed on your device. Now, scroll through the list and find Snapchat. When you see the Snapchat icon, tap on it to open the app's settings. Inside the Snapchat app settings, look for the option called Permissions. This is where you can manage what Snapchat is allowed to access on your phone. Tap on Permissions, and you'll see a list of features like camera, contacts, location, and microphone. Now, find the microphone option and tap on it. Here's where you get to decide how Snapchat uses your microphone. To have Snapchat ask for your permission every time it wants to use the mic, select Ask Every Time. This way, the app will prompt you for access whenever you try to record audio, make a call, or send a voice message, giving you complete control over your privacy. That's it. You've now set up Snapchat to ask for microphone permissions each time it needs access. This is a great way to keep your privacy in check while still enjoying all the features Snapchat has to offer. If you ever want to change this setting, just follow these steps again and choose a different option, like Allow only while using the app, or Don't allow, depending on your preference. Thanks for watching. Now you can snap, call, and record with confidence, knowing you're in charge of your microphone permissions.